What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about 3 different mining stocks today. We'll be talking about Cipher for Doluwi, Bitfarms, and WULF for Ali Masar. And without any further ado, guys, let's get into it. Looking at Cipher here. You're up this week. You're up 16%, where a lot of stocks I think are down, are they not? At least the bigger ones are. Let me pause the music here so it's not distracting for anybody out there. I'm a little bit surprised by this. It does look good. The daily RSI looks good, man. The price action looks good. I do like it. If it wasn't a mining stock, I would, I'd be more bullish on it. But I'm kind of bullish on it, man. Yeah, you look good, Cipher. Oh, buddy, that's interesting. Interesting. I'm interested. Not what I was expecting to see. Yeah, look at you. Look at you closing days above your 618. Look at you. Decent volume too. Look at you, man. I think you want to go up higher, man. You might be making a move up to, you're at $4.10. Maybe you're going up to $7.26 to $10.10 soon. I say soon, that it could be tomorrow, but it's probably like maybe by the end of this month or by the middle of next month. Before the halving, that's what you look like you want to do. But if you can't get above this high, then that's a no-go. Get above that high. I think you will. Let's look at the 3 hour. I like it, man. I think it wants to go up higher. So yeah, good job, good choice there, Doluwi. I think this one stands out, man. Compared to a lot of mining stocks right now, this one stands out. I would not have expected it, but yeah, it looks good. Looks like it wants to go up higher. Now again, these are your targets, your more immediate targets. But when I say immediate targets, I don't mean like it happens tomorrow. It could happen tomorrow, but probably over the next couple weeks, if not a month or so, something like that, probably. If I had to guess, time analysis is not my strong suit. Ask anybody or go through my videos, you'll see. Oftentimes, whenever I call for moves up, I'm more conservative in time, or I guess not conservative. I'm generous with the time. I think it's going to take more time than it does. So if I'm ever wrong with time analysis as far as pumps go, it normally happens sooner. So that's a good thing. It's like a good thing to be wrong in that respects. Bitfarms, unless you're trying to buy and that screws you up because you thought you had more time to buy. High to low here. I don't like it, man. Went from a good one to a not good. Okay, all right. You've got hidden bullish divergence, to be fair. It's not confirmed, but it is on there. It is on there. You could be having a tweezer bottom now. Let's see how this week closes. I'd like to revisit this once the week closes. Because to be fair, bouncing out the 886 and then bouncing off the 100 area is a good look. That is a good look. Lower lows with higher lows, that is a good look. So let's see how the week closes, okay? I'm a bit curious. I don't like the daily RSI. The daily RSI tells me it wants to go lower, and you best believe if you interact with this line again, the 886, you're very likely going lower. And where are you going to go to? You're probably at least going to go to this 1272 here, which is all the way down at $1.56, which is also at your golden ratio. So take that for what it is. You better not go down below $2 again. You better not. You better hold this area. Because if not, you're going lower, a lot lower. The 3 hour does have dramatic divergence building up, doesn't it? But lower highs, higher highs, that's not a good combo. Not a good combo at all. Let's see. Let's see how the week closes. Let's revisit this in 2 to 3 days, okay? For now, genuinely, I'm calling for it to go lower. But over the next 2 to 3 days, events could take place where this price goes up higher. You're back at your 1272, even above it, and that could disprove the idea of going lower. But for now, I'm expecting you to go lower, and you probably do go to that $1.50 area. That's my thoughts, genuinely. So, Bitfarms, WULF. I see you trying to hop in my sunroof. Hey. low to high, 618, 69 support. Not getting the positive reactions you want to see. Come on now. Though you are holding that 40 area, double bottom, that's kind of nice. Let's see. Oh man, I'm going to have to say the same thing. Let's see what you do with the rest of the week. I'm not impressed by the 3-hour RSI. The daily does not look impressive to me either. There's hopes for it, but it doesn't look impressive. And the weekly looks like it wants to go lower as well. The price action itself doesn't look bad. You have higher lows, and you are at an area where I would expect you to bounce. So bounce. Close this week above $1.68. Don't go lower. If you close it below, okay, whatever. Just don't go below like $1.58, I suppose, is really the real test. Hold these higher lows. Hold this line that you have here. Because if not, you're going to $1.47 or $1.36, and that'll just take more time. And you very much do have the possibility, the capability even, of going to $1 to 76 cents, somewhere in that area as well. So hopefully you just hold this area and avoid all of those potential lower areas. But I'd like to revisit this by the end of the week as well. So I'll just leave it with that. Kind of an unknown, but ultimately expecting it to go lower than where it is now. So that's Wolf. That's all of them. Cipher undeniably looks the most bullish between these three. Probably the most bullish one out of all the mining stocks that I've looked at recently. So I really did not expect to see that. But that's what I got. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for coming. I will see you on the next one. And yeah, man, I got nothing else to add, so take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.